In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make professional CV resume photos in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're turning a regular snapshot into a polished, professional headshot suitable for your CV or resume, using just 3 simple actions inside the Gemini app. Before we begin, a quick note on what professional means for a resume photo. You're aiming for a clean, well-lit head and shoulders image with a neutral expression and a tidy background. Think confident and approachable, not overly stylized. The AI can help refine the look, but the better your starting photo, the better the final result. First, inside the Google Gemini Windows app, look for the plus sign icon and click it to upload your photo. Choose an image where your face is clearly visible, sharply focused, and not obscured by heavy shadows or dramatic filters. Natural light from a window or soft indoor lighting works best. It's okay if your background isn't perfect. Gemini can simplify and clean it up. But try to avoid extreme backlighting or very noisy surroundings. Higher resolution images give the model more detail to work with, so pick the largest, clearest version you have. If you wear glasses daily, keep them on in the photo for an authentic, consistent look. Next, in the prompt area, type, "Transform this photo into professional resume photo." This short instruction tells Gemini to enhance the image for formal use. If you want to be more specific, you can add tasteful, realistic guidance in the same prompt, such as a neutral gray or off-white background, centered framing from the chest up, natural skin tone, and subtle retouching that preserves texture. Keep the request grounded and honest. Aim to present your true appearance professionally, not to change your identity or misrepresent your features. Then, press Enter. Gemini will analyze your upload and apply adjustments to lighting, color balance, background cleanliness, and composition. So the result looks crisp, even, and ready for a CV. Give it a moment to process. You'll typically see straighter alignment, reduced distractions behind you, and a more consistent tone across the image. If the first render isn't quite your style, remember that wording matters. Slightly refining your prompt next time, by clarifying background color or the crop, can nudge the AI toward the look you prefer while staying perfectly professional. That's all there is to it. Upload with the plus sign, write a clear prompt, and press Enter. With those 3 moves, you can quickly produce a clean, credible resume photo that makes a strong first impression. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present your best self in your next application.